Hey, what's up and welcome back to David RC Basher. I have the Demon FR4 out here today. Yes, with that 20 turn Injora motor. Going to be running on 2S. That's all I should need now. 3S might be a little hot for it. We're going to be doing a little trailing. Let's get that started.
Just walk through and get through this metal.
Oh, I'm recording already. I didn't know.
What?
I'm recording myself. Huh.
Hey!
Yeah, she's getting that tilt there. Nice.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain.
Straight down? You know me, I don't make any...
The whole way. Okay. I'm gonna give her a shot too then. Put this motor to the test. We're going on it. Oh, adventure. Yeah, boy. Oh, why so deep? I ain't got no snorkel on this. Here we are, finally at the creek. Got one setting up her phone, froggy style. Nice recovery.
You're welcome.
Damn.
Your back wheel.
What's wrong with it?
It might be nothing. It looks like it was sticking out.
I'm trying to turn here. This is being difficult.
Oh wait, there's another tree there.
Oh, yeah.
Go right around it.
Oh, your turn. You're on low voltage. Was that full power? Yeah.
Like candy canes, it makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's something I live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
Alright, so I've come into this section, a little strong-headed. You see the water trying to push me downstream. Had to lower my wheel speed, a little hop, get the tires to get traction, slowly creep up out of there. Traction was key.
to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a map, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check is on chest, what's happening next?
Got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11, it's time for progression. Oh!
I try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. The other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Go free, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast.
Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. This Injora motor has been an upgrade. Decent, put it through some sand, some muddy water. It's holding up. Nice wheel speed. Get up them hills. Thanks for watching. See you here the next time.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing.